into the second break of the night, which is going to be certified Chad Ocho Cinco on top. That's right, he buys door breaks. And Gooba Chicken down at the bottom with Grim and Worm Tongue. Alright. So let's put Kid Rock and Purple Chair out and get some freaking mojo going. Here we go. It's the freaking weekend. Dude, I'm about to have me some fun. Yeah, good. Man, good song. Good little chime in there. I liked it. Alright, we got A-Raj, B-Raji, Gold Team. And Eli Apple out of 999. Got one of the only ones made. Let me throttle up. Ooh, Cody Kessler. 2-color RPA patch out of 34 of 299. Going out to the Cleats. 2013 Sport 77. And the bus out of 999 for the Steel City of Pittsburgh. And an orange, Dan the Man on a 225. Immortal. That goes out to Aloha, 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 Aloha. Alright, now we got a hit here, and it is Josh Doxson, numbered out 399 patch, going out to the red.
Impeccable football ending in 2 minutes, guys.
Impeccable football ending in 2 minutes, guys. 15 of 225, Greg Oldman. Going out to Carolina, Cree Martin. Orangey. Got one of these slotch things. Out of 499, Austin Pooper for the Falcones. No, just gold member. Gold member Josh Doxson. 999, Mr. Burbridge for the San Francisco's 49ers. And we head on down yonder and find ourselves a red Mr. Nate Sudfeld out of 99. That goes to the Redskins as well. Gooba Chicken. Or GMB, whatever you want to call them. We got a blue autograph. Blue. Mackenzie Alexander, 2 of 50. Vikings. Big Sean. Big Shawnsy Wandsy. He's got his big wand. 66 of 99, Kirky Kirk. Going to GMB. Lots of Redskins. Bruce out of 499. No known last name. And we're going to get a patch. Red out of 299, Tyler Boyd for the Cincinnati Bengals. That is Raw Doggin. And Andrew Luck out of 499.
Cardinals ending now.
Cardinals ending now. And impeccable. First high-end football of the year. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it done.
The Falcons.
The Falcones. The Batman. Is that Falcone guy, man? He's in Batman. He's a bad guy.
Larry Bird, guys.
Larry Bird.
Dirty.
Larry Bird. Got us Falcons. We got
Ravens ending now. Ravens and Bills.
Ravens and Buffalo. 25/50 blue panel. Gerald Adams going to Aloha.
Ray Lewis has on-card autos in this, and he comes out a lot.
Ray Lewis has on-card autos in this set, and he comes out a lot. Per APR. Aaron Rodgers. $9.99 Miles Jackson. Who didn't want a Ray Lewis? Didn't he like kill somebody? No. Allegedly. RG3 starting quarterback for the Browns out of 225. Going to 2013 Sport. He should be. He was a stud. He was a stud and is still a stud in my mind. You guys didn't give him long enough.
Milkman stole
14 of only 25. CJ Process, one of the nicest autos I've ever seen of him. Go to Seattle. Mary Bra. Gold parallel, 14 and 25. That is probably one of the cleanest pro-size autos I've seen.
Bills ending now. Bills Panthers.
Immortal Terry. Out of 99.9. Who's got Bills? Jim Kelly's in it. Yeah. Bruce Arians.
I know Andre Reed's in it.
Andre Reed, yeah. That's who I meant, not Bruce Arians. Bruce Smith.
The Dante guy?
Yeah. $4.99. A-Sean. And Cardell Jones, of course. Jonathan Williams and whoever else the rookies are. Some rookie guys. I know there's lots of rookie guys. $399. Christopher Moore. For the Ravens, going to Big Sean. And Jim MC Mahan out of 99.
Hold on, no.
Jim MC Mahan out of 99.
Jim McMahon, get it right. Panthers ending now. You
Yeah.
can take them from whoever has them.
Please take the Panthers from whoever has them, Andy says, because they have low to no feedback. Low to no feedback. Please help us out. Take that team.
Take the Panthers, somebody please.
Take them, please.
We will have to auction them if...
999 Christopher Jones.
I can already tell you that.
They got Cam Newton.
Really?
Yeah, heck yeah, he is. Cam Newton.
Oh, okay, good.
Jeremy Cash. Chris Moore. He's on every team. 2K RPA, 226 of 349 for the Baltimore Ravens, Big Shazzy. And 499 VJack.
Alright, we're on the Bears. Bears and Bengals.
Oh, Bears have a ton of dudes. And they got Jordan
Jordan
Howard.
Howard. I'm sure they have lots of bets.
Oh, they have Gale Sayers. They have cut auto of Walter Payton. Rod Woodson out of 499. That's not on the Bears. I'm just saying that. That's the card I just hit. But wouldn't that be crazy if that was on the Bears? Ooh. Ozzie Newsome 5 of 10 game use patch. Fabric of the game for the Cleese. 2013 Sportman. Khakis took him. He said, I'm taking Gale. At 499 Staff. Jordan Howard, baby. The khakis, they will prevail.
Bengals ending now. Bengals Browns.
Bengals and the Browns. Somebody take the Browns. Or we'll just keep them. Yeah, but they got Cody Kessler. He's like a stud back, isn't he? He has had quite a few good games.
But they can't stop it.
They can't. Their defense sucks. 2 of 25. B. Marsh. He's in the marsh. Gold going to Jeff Paws and Claus.
Bengals Tyler Boyd. I know Andy Dalton's in there.
Andy Dalton. Ricardo Lewis patch going out to the Clee Browns. 2013 Sportman. They also have AJ Green autographs.
Iggy Woods.
AJ Green, 21 of 99.
I'm just throwing names out now.
Drew Brees. Oh, AJ Green, Jeremy Hill, Giovanni Bernard.
Yeah, I get one of them.
Okay, what team are we on?
Browns, Cowboys.
Browns have Cody Kessler, Corey Coleman, Ricardo Lewis, Ozzie Newsome out of $4.99. I saw an inscription on
Duke
it.
Johnson, I think, is in there too.
I saw Ozzie Newsome.
Ozzie Newsome, I think they have the like old school, like Paul Warfield or something.
Paul Warfield.
Somebody like that. They got old school guys.
Out of $2.99. Kenyon Drake going to the Dolphins. Aloha. They got Gary Barnage out of $2.25. Cleveland Browns. Brock Osweiler in his Browns uniform. What? $4.99 Tyler Higbee.
Oh, it's all right. Go.
Come on, Brownies. Do it. Shit. Oh, that's not good that you said shit. No, we'll just ride them. I have faith. I'm going to pull some Matt Browns, and they're going to regret not getting them. Out of $9.99, Devin Lucy.
Cowboys, ending now.
I don't even need to say anything about the Cowboys. Cowboys ending now. Should go for 300 to 500.
Yeah, right.
That's where they've been going all day.
Really?
Yep, out of $4.99, Marshawn Lynch. 3 to 5.
That's insane. I saw them in our front like 180.
Oh, that's good.
They got stolen.
Telling you, they go for about 300 to 500. 45 and 99, Suak Cravens going out to GMB. You know me. And Nick Vanette out of 225 for the Seattle Seahawks.
Number 325.
Told you.
Broncos, Lions. Broncos got it.
Oh, Broncos have Peyton Manning dual autos with John Elway. And they have triple autos with Paxton Lynch.
Paxton Lynch, Devontae Booker.
Oh, and they have one with like John Elway, Terrell Davis, and Rod Smith too. Yeah.
I saw Elliott and one of the other Buckeyes. I want to say it was Cardale Jones.
Cardale Jones, 2-color RPA, 3 of 149. Going to picking up bargains. Terrell Davis, see there he is on $9.99. You want some of his action.
There are 10 seconds left.
10 seconds left on the bronchitis. Lots of hits, I know.
There they jumped.
They were going for 200 to 500.
No.
Yeah, that's right.
If they were, then we sucked.
Oh, we suck then.
No way.
2 to 5, I'm seeing it.
There's no way in hell.
Yep. Who's next?
Lions.
Oh, they're going for at least 150 to 500.
So they got Barry or no?
Yes. Barry.
Yeah?
Yes, on-card autos of Barry. Manilow.
Yeah, you're just making shit up. I need to know facts.
Out of $9.99, Keanu Reeves.
Do they really have Barry Sanders?
Yes, of course. They do, I'm not joking.
Alright. Well, give me chicken is running.
Gooba Chickens, William, Kenyon Reynolds.
It can't be. It's give me chicken.
4-color RPA. Going out to Big Seanzy. Big Sean, you just buy the Ravens to get tons of hits, didn't you? 5 of 10, Slammy Sammy.
He's smart. He ain't no dummy.
They're purple. I never said he was, but I know what his game plan is. Curtis.
No one wants Barry Sanders, dude.
225. No one
Big Sean was
wants
the only
Barry
one I wanted him.
Sanders. Big
He's
Sean.
even in the prime.
You're going to get him.
Hold on. We're on the Packers.
Oh, they got Brett Favre, Aaron Rodgers, everyone in that product.
Paul Warfield.
He's on the Packers? Why is he's not on the
I just
Packers?
keep throwing that name out there.
Clay Matthews, Eddie Lacy, Jordy Nelson, Trevor Davis, James Lofton.
All I know is Favre and Rodgers. That's all you need to know.
Bubba Franks,
You're just naming guys that were on the Packers over the last 10 years.
Kuhn, what's that guy's name?
John Kuhn.
First autographs ever of John Kuhn in that product. Out of 99. Julian Edelman. I'd taken him for 66. Shit. That's
Texans.
Freaking Mario. Texans got Will Fuller.
Braxtonian
Miller. Tyler Irvin. Now they got Brock Osweiler. Out of 999. Kurt Menefee. They got David Carr.
David Carr is on the...
They got J.J. Watt on card autos.
Do they?
Yeah.
Are you just making shit up?
No.
I don't know what you...
See?
I don't know.
Serena just confirmed J.J. Watt. Colby listed me.
I don't know to trust you in any of this.
They got Cushing. What's that guy's name? Brian Cushing.
Brian Cushing is not in this product.
Yep, he's in it.
Game of Thrones wins them.
999, John Higgins. Henry Higgins. Yeah, Mark Chimera. He's in it.
Colts. Who do they got?
Andrew Luck. Peyton Manning throwback ones. 9 of 50. Braylon Addison blue autograph for the Denver Broncos going to CEP.
Are you just making that up that they really don't?
No, they really do have throwback ones. 16 of 50, Xavier Howard for the Dolphins. Julio?
Colts.
They have T.Y. Hilton. They have Marvin Harrison on card autos. Reggie Wayne.
Tom Landry.
I don't know who that is.
He was the coach of the Cowboys.
No, they don't have him. They have Kobe Fleener. He's on the Colts in that one for some reason.
No, he's not.
Dwayne Allen's in it.
Pick your paradise.
Jack Doyle, first autographs are in that.
Jaguars.
Blake Bortles, Allen Robinson, Alan Hearns, Denard Robinson, Paul Paslency,
T.J. Yeldon, Chris Ivory.
Yep, all of them. They're all in it. Out of 399, Dak Prescott orange patch. And it goes to Lucio. Dick Buttkiss. Except he's a bear. I won't even be awake. Andrew Luck, I'll be awake on that.
Jaguars.
999, Cody Core.
Jaguars ending.
Blake Bortles, Paul Paslency.
The Chiefs have Joe Montana.
Mark Brunell, Fred Taylor. They're both in it. Jimmy Smith. Trying to think who else is in it that I saw on that list. What's next? Chiefs? Oh, they have Joe Montana Chief autos. Throwback style. 225 for the Rams. Todd Gurley the second. They also have Kevin Hogan, DeMarcus Robinson, Alex Smith, Travis Kelce. I didn't know that was going to be auto. Nelson Spruce, gold auto. 17 of 25 for the Rams. That is Big Sean, gold autograph. And out of 499, Tony Dorsett. Aaron Johnson would like to know, Swaggy P would like to know, any private breaks available?
I
don't know if he's
not right now.
At $4.99, JJ Cutler.
We're just focused on Impeccable right now. Once Impeccable's done, I can focus elsewhere. But we're on the Chiefs.
I just told him all the Chiefs.
Who, Joe Montana?
Joe Montana. Yeah, he's got throwbacks on the Chiefs. Yes, he does. Don Terry Poe autographs.
He got a touchdown.
I know.
You see that?
Yeah, I saw it. He's in it. They put him in just because he got that touchdown. For the Rams, that goes to Big Sean out of $9.99. Emmitt Smith. Chiefs. Who else was on the Chiefs in my lifetime? I know that's in that.
Tony Gonzalez.
Oh yeah, he's in it. I saw that. At $9.99, Brandon Allen. I don't think he ever signs either.
We're on whatever we got for the Chiefs. Rams.
Los Angeles Rams. Are you
Jared
kidding?
Goff.
Jared Goff, that's enough. Paxton Lynch, RPA, 3-color RPA, 39 of 149 for the Broncos. That is CEP.
Come on, Rams.
Jared Goff, Marshall Falk, Todd Gurley, Kurt Warner,
Samuel Adams,
Isaac Bruce, Torrey Holtz. Trying to think who else I saw on the checklist.
They're done. We're on the Dolphins.
Dan the Man Marino, Jarvis Landry, Kenny Stills.
They're ending too quickly together.
Kenny Stills, Leonte Carew, Kenyon Drake.
Alright, we're on the Vikings.
Teddy Bridgewater. Sam Bradford's first autos in Vikings uniform.
No, there is not.
Yep.
Adrian Peterson.
Yep. And Sam Bradford is it. I promise. Out of 299.
And
Laquan Treadwell. Yep. Out of 499. Miami Miller. Carl Eller. Chris Carter. Carl Eller. Trying to think who else I saw was on the checklist. 99, Jakeem Grant. No, he's Dolphins. Christian Ponder.
Dante Culpepper.
Randy
Moss.
Yeah, Randy Moss has throwback autos on the Niners and on the
Raiders, the Niners, and the Vikings.
Yeah, he has all 3 autos. There's 3 parallels. So it's the Randy Moss. It's the Randy Moss set. Look it up. 999 Jacoby Brissett. Just being honest here, guys. Just being honest. Danielle Hunter autos. Xavier Howard. 499 Des Bryant.
You didn't sell anyone on that team, so.
No?
Whatever you did, you didn't sell them.
I didn't really have much.
Patriots!
Tom Brady.
Only 15 seconds for you to sell them.
Tom Brady. That's all I need to say. Tom Brady. On-card autos. Tom Brady. Shouldn't have to say anything else. Joey Bosa at the Chargers at 99.
Alright, we're on the Saints.
Saints have Drew Brees on cards.
Michael Thomas.
Signed and certified Mirror Green. This will be out of 5. Ezekiel Elliott.
Hey, Lucio.
This had a gold RPA of Dak and a green Elliott. Out of 5 for Lucio.
I don't like even looking at you. It makes my eyes water. You look like a prize fighter over here.
There was Bills, yeah. Cardell Jones RPA. I know that came out. I think that's the only
that picking up bargains?
I guess that's stocking PMs.
Picking up bargains.
Stocking PMs? PMS? Stocking PMS.
If he asked for the Bills, that's picking up bargains. Alright, we're still the Saints.
Drew Brees, Marquise Colson, Cameron Wake.
Cameron Wake's on the Dolphins.
Oh, shit. Jordan Cameron, Julius Thomas.
Jimmy Graham.
Throwbacks. Christopherson. Carlos Hyde, 12 of 49 2-color patch, going out to the 49ers. That is Chicken Tartar.
Brandon Cooks.
Yeah, Brandon Cooks.
Doing the bow and arrow shot.
And that's the last time he can do that on a card. So I'd get those locked up now.
Alright, we're on the next team.
Who's that?
New York.
Giants?
Jets.
Jets are first?
Well, or the Giants already ended because See, this is the problem. You have these ending at the exact same time.
999.
Giants already went. We didn't even get
Yeah,
to
we didn't even talk about Eli Manning and Michael
They went at the
Strahan.
exact same time as the...
So now I'm going to go with the Jets. Geno Smith autographs are back.
Joe Namath.
No, Geno Smith, starting quarterback. They're back.
Christian Hackenberg.
25, Austin Pooper, Christian Hackenberg, Joe
Eric
Namath, Eric Decker, and he's looking really sexy in these ones. This is freshman fabric mirror. This is RPA of DeMarcus Robinson. Chieftains, that is Big Sean. Should have guessed that one.
There we go, the Raiders and Eagles.
Ooh, Derek Carr.
Is Bo Jackson in it?
Oh, yeah.
Raiders?
Yep.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Eagles?
Carson Wentz. 225, Andrew Luck. They also have Donovan McNabb.
Harold Carmichael?
Zach Ertz, Harold Carmichael,
Chris Carter.
Chris Carter. On the Eagles?
He started as an Eagle in his career.
Okay, sure. Chris Carter. 49 of 50. Carlos Williams, 4-color patch. Picking up bargains.
Heck yeah.
It's a good one.
The purple slurp.
490. I don't even know what you just said. The purple
slurp.
slurp.
The purple juice.
Oh, is that why they cut him?
That's why he got in trouble.
Oh.
Cough syrup or whatever.
I thought they were allowed to drink cough syrup for the
He's just not
NFL.
allowed to drink cough.
What if he had a cold? Out of 999 or the Pearl Campbell. Supposed
We
to
all know who won the Jets.
Big Show.
Yes.
All right.
Raiders ending now.
Derek Carr, Connor Cook, Marcus Allen, Tim Brown,
Bo Jackson.
Bo Jackson, Fred Biletnikoff,
You already done?
Latavius Murray, DeAndre Washington, Jalen Brown, Michael Crabtree, Amari Cooper autos.
Big Sean, held on. Eagles.
Carson Wentz, Wendell Smallwood, Donovan McNabb, Harold Carmichael,
Reggie White.
He's dead. Cut auto Reggie White.
Whose card is this?
I don't know.
Dude, why is it here?
I don't know. I'm trying to think who else I saw on the checklist. Byron Marshall will be in it.
How do you know?
Because he's one of the sticker auto dudes.
Oh, shit.
They also have Nick Foles when he was still an Eagle.
Oh, Ron Drowowski.
Yeah, Ron Jarowski.
Don't they have him?
Yeah.
Am I right or not?
Yeah, you are.
I thought I was on that one.
Yeah.
Cody Parkey.
Yeah, Cody Parkey autograph.
Right,
Jordan Matthews.
We're on the next one.
Ryan Matthews.
Steelers, Chargers.
Steelers got Big Ben, Antonio Brown, Heath Miller,
Terry Bradshaw.
Terry Bradshaw,
Franco Harris.
They also have Sammy Coates, Marcus Wheaton, Jerome Bettis,
Toby, you're just naming every guy.
Hines Ward, Plaxico Burress. I know he went to jail or whatever for a little bit, but first autograph that he's back in the game.
Landry Jones
on card. Le'Veon Bell. How did I forget Le'Veon Bell? Martavius Bryant with a smoking weed picture. Crazy, dude.